Actually, we are expressing, it's not a routine press conference, what we are doing in normal way. It's actually, we are expressing our deep pain with you people, that a person, a young boy was picked, a teacher, a principal, school principal was picked, and in a couple of days was handed over a dead body to a family. We cannot express it, how deeply we are pained. It's not about a pain of a family, it's a pain of our whole Kashmiri society. How gruesome you can be. A system which is there to safeguard the people, to operate. There is a SOP to investigate. You can investigate anybody, but you cannot murder a person. You cannot make custodial deaths a routine thing in Kashmir. I'm very thankful to all organizations who are here, be it High Court Bar Association, KTMF, KEA, KTMFR, FCIK, FCIKM, JKSE, CC, KCSDS, KHARA, CCIK, All Transport Welfare Association, Kashmir Valley Fruit Growers Dealers Association, Houseboat Owners Association, Kharoof Private Schools Association, Kashmir Bakers Association, All Kashmir Chemists and Distributors Association, Hoteliers Club, All Traders and Transporters Coordination Committee, All J&K Taxi Owners Association, Environment Protection Groups, Shahri Khas Coordination Committee, Byopar Mandal, Rehabilitation Alliance, and Batmalu Traders Association, apart from all concerned citizens of Kashmir. The business community and civil society of Jammu and Kashmir have organized this press conference to collectively express our anguish at the perennial silence of the world community and human rights organization over the reputed brutalization of our community. The battered dead body of Rizwan Asad Pandit, a 29-year-old school teacher who had been picked up for questioning on Sunday, the 17th of March, 2019, was returned to the family on Tuesday, the 19th of March, 2019. According to the family, the body bears evidence of being subjected to extreme physical violence. The video of his final ablution shared on social media by his brothers and family shows torture and burn marks. It is widely believed that Rizwan Asad Pandit has died in state custody due to the physical torture inflicted upon him. As per press reports, police have registered FIR number 09/2019 under section 224 RPC, attempt to escape from custody, and a magisterial inquiry has been ordered. However, there are countless instances of inquiries being ordered in killings without any results. Such inquiries, sufferings from institutional bias and state interference, have rarely served the interests of justice. We have reason to believe that this killing would also suffer the same fate, and the killers would again roam free to kill, more confident in the fact that their crimes will never be brought to account. The repeated perpetration of various violations of human rights and humanitarian law needs in-depth fact-finding and investigation, with the view of providing avenues of justice and redress for victims to deter future violations. We appeal to the Honorable Governor, Mr. Satyapal Malik, for setting up of a time-bound independent special commission of inquiry. till the time the Commission submits its support, it would serve the ends of justice if the case is treated to be one of the custodial killing, and all persons associated with this are put behind bars and kept away from active duty. My dear friends, we are facing a threat to our life, and it is a joint response to social, to media, to concerned quarters, that it is not a matter of one death, it's a matter of people. How you can give a safe lives to people. You can investigate people, but you cannot kill during the custody. And we are today concerned, and we are, believe me, deeply concerned. All faces you can see, we are actually all our parents. If your boys, your girls are not secure, what is the fun of economy, social? It is not any social or economy issue. It's the matter of human being, how it is being treated. So please convey the message, and we want to see whether the Governor Saab will take this mark, this black spot on his career, that a man custodial death, which was a matter of past, is now again in his career, and we want to see how time-bound this inquiry is given and justice is given to family and to the people of Kashmir. Thank you very much.